I look crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing a third installment of Getting Readyoke. I'm doing this a little differently than last time, as you can see. This whole series is a process of working out bugs till I get it right. The last time, I decided I wanted to do themes with the songs, eye looks with the songs, and today, I'm making life a little more difficult for myself. I decided that I was going to, before we start, gonna do one good eye, or one good half of my face, whatever I'm doing today. It's just an eye look because it is hot. So you can see what it's supposed to look like on the one eye versus what it ends up looking like on the other eye after I've done it. Well, singing karaoke completely blind was all my idea. The other thing is I'm going to keep this to one song and one song only because it's an eye look. If I'm doing like a half a face, I'll do 2 songs, but no more than 2 songs. I'm going to be recreating or attempting to recreate this lovely Jasmine inspired eye look. She's doing Disney. I am going to be doing all of this while singing somehow, because this is a duet, A Whole New World. Let's get to it. Let's do it. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. Oh god, already fucking up. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. Oh man. A shooting star. Nope. I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. I'm not doing well. How is this possible? How can this be so hard? Let me share a whole new world with you. A whole new world. Oh my god. That's where we'll be. Oh man. For you and me. Nope. Nope. I feel retarded. It's got credits. Whatever this karaoke video is, it's got credits. Well, at least you can see what I was going for. This is so not right. I think my biggest problem is that I know all the words to this song, but I do not, for the life of me, know the order that they go in. I can show you the world. I'm always Aladdin, by the way, when I sing the song. I get really thrown off when I have to sing Jasmine's part. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Oh god. Over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. Whole new world. A whole new world. But when I'm way up here... Broken. It broke me. This broke me. Well, this failed much faster than the other ones. Well, I know some of you are gonna ask, so I will have pictures of this eye up on my Instagram. And I will list all the products that I did use to get this look and most of this one, whatever happened here, in the bio description box down there. It's so bad. I think I've done all I can do here. And we will see you in the next one.